In this video, we're going to show you how to text a whole day's patients at once. When you are running late or have to cancel, you can message everyone booked in that day in one go. It happens to every clinic. The surgeon is held up, or a list has to be cancelled at short notice, and suddenly you need to let everyone booked in that day know quickly so nobody sets off for a wasted journey. Velastria lets you text all of them in one go, straight from the calendar. Open the calendar on the day in question. Here is a clinic day with several patients booked in, across a few different practitioners. Now look at the panel on the right-hand side. There is a button labelled Send Selected Patients and SMS. SMS just means a text message. This is your starting point whenever you need to reach a whole day's patients at once. Clicking that button opens a page listing everyone who has an appointment that day. Let's take a look at it. At the top is your message box. It is already started for you with your clinic's name, so patients can see at a glance that the text is genuinely from you and not a scam. You just add your note. For example, please do not rush in. The clinic is running about 30 minutes late. As you type, the counter underneath tells you how long the message is and how many texts it will use. Below the message is everyone booked in that day, grouped by the practitioner they are coming to see. Each person has a tick box with their appointment time and name. If just one practitioner is running late, tick that practitioner's heading to select all of their patients in one click. If the whole clinic is affected, use Select All at the top right to message everybody at once. One thing to note, anyone without a mobile number on file is still listed, so you can see them, but their tick box is grayed out, because there is no number to text. When you are happy with the message and you have ticked the right people, press Send SMS. Everyone you selected gets the text straight away, and you get a summary telling you how many were sent. And that is all there is to it. When you are running late, or a list is cancelled, open the calendar on that day, click Send Selected Patients and SMS, write a short note, tick the patients affected, and send. No phone calls, no scrambling, everyone told in seconds.